The TRACER ProScribe is a compact marking accessory designed for carpenters, joiners and kitchen and flooring fitters. The kit includes the ProScribe tool, durable carry case, deep hole pencil and replacement lead pack. The ProScribe is incredibly easy to use and is the most versatile scribe tool on the market with over 15 suitable marking applications. The tool features multiple points of adjustment to give complete control over the pencil position and angle. One of the most common uses for a scribing tool is parallel marking. This is ideal for marking across skirting boards, worktops and doors. In this mode, the pencil is set to mark a perfectly parallel line at the desired offset distance. The pencil and arm can also be adjusted to perform complex profile marking. To do this, rotate the pencil perpendicular to the base and slide the arm forwards or backwards to achieve the desired offset. Profile marking is ideal for marking more detailed profiles, such as tile cuts around a door frame or cutting a unit to fit over a skirting board. For an accurate mark, ensure the tool remains perpendicular to the guide surface at all times. Run the metal guide along the contours of the guide surface to transfer the profile onto the surface being marked. To learn more and to view our full product range, please visit tracer-tools.com.